Hello, welcome. I'm Ted Canning, and I am going to demonstrate the steel drums, also known as steel pans. I'm going to have people playing because I'm not going to play these all by myself. It's a lot more fun when I have other people play with me. So the steel drums come in all these different sizes. You have the large ones for the basses. You have smaller ones, sort of like a soprano voice, and you have an alto and a tenor voice in between, a way of having a full orchestra of steel drums, of steel pans, a steel band. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a few people to help me out. I'm going to teach them how to play. I believe they have never played these before, is my understanding, so this will be as new to them as it might be to you. So if you guys can come up forward, I'm going to have you go. I'm going to have you, sir, you're going to go right here. I'm going to have you, you're going to walk around. I think you should go here to these instruments here. Once you come around, I'm going to have you, one way or another, go to these two. And you, sir, remaining, you're going to go to this instrument right there. Excellent. Good. We're all in place. Good. Go ahead and pick up the two sticks in front of you. Right? You'll see one end is covered. The other end likely is not. You obviously strike the drums only with the covered ends of the sticks. Hold them up like this. Right? Do this for me. You go ding, 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 ding. Really? This is how you're going to move. I get all sorts of things. I get people going point to point to point, and it's rude to point, so don't point. I get all these people start holding on like pencils and all sorts of crazy things. Really, it's simple. It's just like this. Nothing more than this. Nobody should be going banga, banga, banga. Banga is bada. It's too loud. You'll damage the instrument. You'll sound bad. We won't play together. Play easy like this. Just like this, all right? Now, to put this music together, what we're going to do is we're going to learn our different parts of the puzzle. We're going to learn what's called a musical chord. We're going to learn two chords. If we have time, maybe three. The first chord, the home chord, is the F chord. When I call out F, let me show you what you're going to play. You're going to play these two notes together. You go like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Try that. 2. Go ahead. 2. Keep it going. You're going to play these two notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Go ahead. Nice and gentle. That's beautiful. These two. 1, 2, 3, 1. This one here. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, left. 1. Keep going. Beautiful, just like that. And we stop, okay? So when I call out F, it's that simple. You just do that. If I call out C, that's the other chord we're going to be playing, the other team of notes. When I say C, this right hand goes here. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 1. This hand stays. This hand goes here. 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's it. You come over to these two right here. 2, 3, 1, 2. You're gonna go over to these two. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Beautiful. Excellent. And we stop. Okay. So whenever I call out C, you just go to those notes. Keep that rhythm going. Simple, right? Piece of cake, easy as pie. So let's put our sticks back on the first one, the F chord team. Put your sticks, you actually touch the drums, right? Make contact and hold them there. Because if you're not, your hands might drift and you'll miss. If you right on the drum, you won't even have to look at it. We're going to start there. Listen first. Don't play yet. You're going to listen. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ready? Play. Go to C, go. 1, 2. Back to F. sounded? They never played these before, right? Okay, awesome. Now what I'd like to do is speed that up. It's a little slow. It's a nice sound. It's lovely. Well, let's put a little life in this thing. So how about if we go, we're going to put your sticks back on that F chord note. You don't play any louder. Chances are, generally, when people play faster, they tense up and they play louder. No. You want to relax. The secret to playing fast is to relax it. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ready? F. 1, 2, 3. C. Go. 3, 1, 2, 3. Back to F. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. C. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. F. And stop. Right? Better. Right? See how that feels better? Okay. So that's 2 chords. And I think we have time to do a third chord we're going to add. We're going to start with the same rhythm, but we're going to add the third chord. So what happens is the B flat is your team. This is your home team F. When I say B flat, you go here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Always aiming for 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 2. You're going to these 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Over here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Back to F. Go. 1, 2, 3, 1. We'll go back to B flat. Go. B flat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Back to F. That's why we do it over and over a few times so you get the hang. B flat again. 3, 1. F. Go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go to C. Go. F. B flat. You make a mistake, as long as you recover, we're fine, right? Excellent, excellent. I need to check the time. It looks like we've used up all our time. I thank you very much, and I definitely want to thank you guys for demonstrating and taking a chance, trying this out. I hope it was fun. By the looks of your faces, it looks like it was fun. You know, you could be this tall, but you're still like 10 years old sometimes. You know, really like that. Thank you very much.